Hello everyone and welcome again to the CAC and guys. So in the last session we are discussing about how to create a node on a surface and by using the coordinate system. Okay, so we'll continue from the last session. Now today we will see what different options are available to create a node. Okay, so first two options we have discussed in the last session. So now we will discuss about the third option, which is the next option which is available is the extract parametric. So once you will select this extract parametric, it will ask for select the line on which you want to create a node. Let's suppose I want to create a node on this particular line. Okay, so I have selected the line. Then you will go for how many number of nodes you want to create. So let's suppose I want to create 10 number of nodes. So I will select 10 number of nodes and just click on the create, and you will see a 10 nodes on this particular line will be created like that. Similarly, you can see there are two boundary conditions are given, the u upper bound and u lower bound. What is the meaning of u upper bound and u lower bound? Let's suppose on this particular line I want to create node up to half length. Then what I will do, I will select this particular upper bound as a 0.5 and then just click on the create option, and you will see up to 50% of the line length, a 10 node with equal spacing will be created. Likewise, let's suppose I want to create a node on a line after half section of this particular line. I don't want to create a node at the start. I want to create the node after half section of this line. So I will again reject this particular command, again go to the upper bound as a 0.5, then upper lower bound I will select as the 1. That's it, and just click on the create, and you will see a rest half section of the line which I have selected, a 10 number nodes will be created. Again we will go to the node option and just click on this option, line node creation. Again I will select one more line, so I have selected this particular line, and upper bound value I will take it as 0. And now you will find one more option is there, parameterization. That means you can create nodes on a internal arc length. Okay, so these are the two options are available. Likewise, if you want to create a nodes on a surface, then you will go for the surface option. I will select the surface. Then you will specify the number of nodes, number of u nodes, number of v nodes. What does it mean? The u and v denote the x and the y direction. Okay, so let's suppose in the x direction I want to create the 5 node, in the y direction I want to create the 8 node. Just click on the create option. You will see in the u direction 5 node will be created with equal spacing, and in the v direction, which is x direction, right now 8 number of nodes are created, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So likewise you can create an array of nodes by using this particular option. So by using this particular command, the extract parametric, you can create nodes on a line, and the second you can create a nodes on a surface in a rectangular array command. So that's it for today. We'll continue in the next session. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share and subscribe our channel.